Welcome to digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about
thread tension adjustment tips for embroidery machines. Embroidery is both an art and a science, and maintaining the correct thread tension is crucial for achieving high-quality results. Proper tension ensures that designs are neat, durable, and visually appealing. Without it, even the most intricate patterns can suffer from puckering, looping, or thread breaks. The main objective of this guide is to provide you with practical tips to master thread tension adjustments on your embroidery machine, ensuring consistent and flawless outcomes. Understanding thread tension. Thread tension refers to the balance between the upper thread and the bobbin thread during the stitching process. When properly adjusted, the two threads lock smoothly within the fabric, producing an evenly stitched design. Incorrect tension can cause various issues such as loose loops, tight puckering, or misaligned patterns. Signs of incorrect thread tension. To determine whether your thread tension needs adjustment, watch for these common signs. Top thread loops on the underside. This indicates the upper thread tension is too loose. Bobbin thread, visible on top. This suggests the upper thread tension is too tight or the bobbin tension is too loose. Uneven stitching or gaps. Imbalance between the threads can cause irregular patterns. Frequent thread breakage. This is often a result of excessive tension. How to adjust thread tension. Start with manufacturer settings. Every embroidery machine comes with recommended tension settings. Begin by using these as a baseline and adjust as needed. Test on scrap fabric. Always test your tension adjustments on a piece of fabric similar to your project material. This helps you avoid ruining your actual design. Upper thread tension adjustment. Use the tension dial or digital controls to make small incremental changes. Turn the dial clockwise to increase tension and counterclockwise to decrease it. Bobbin tension adjustment. For manual bobbin cases, adjust the small screw on the side. Turn it clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. Be cautious, as even tiny adjustments can make a significant difference. Perform a tension test. Stitch. Stitch a straight line and inspect the balance between the top and bobbin threads. Ideally, the threads should meet in the middle of the fabric layer. Factors that influence thread tension. Thread type and weight. Different thread materials, for example polyester, rayon, and weights, require varied tension settings. Heavier threads may need looser tension, while finer threads might need tighter tension. Fabric type. Thick or dense fabrics, such as denim or canvas, often require different tension compared to delicate materials like silk or organza. Needle size and type. Using the correct needle for your thread and fabric ensures smooth stitching and helps maintain proper tension. Machine maintenance. Dust and lint buildup can affect thread tension. Regular cleaning and oiling of your machine are essential for consistent performance. Troubleshooting tips. If adjustments don't solve tension issues, rethread your machine, ensuring both the top thread and bobbin thread are correctly positioned. Check for damaged or worn-out parts such as needles or bobbin cases, which can interfere with proper tension. Use high-quality threads and avoid mixing thread types, as inconsistencies can disrupt tension. Consistency is key. Maintaining consistent thread tension is an ongoing process that requires practice and attention to detail. Each project may require slight adjustments based on the materials and design complexity. By following these tips, you can ensure that your embroidery projects are always professional, beautiful, and free of tension-related issues.
If you're looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.